Hello, welcome to my channel. So today I'm helping a bird find a new home, and sadly the owner is sick with cancer and she can't take care of her bird. So this is a Quaker parakeet. I know you can't see him, but I'll show you inside the bag once he's in the car. And she's donated all his belongings, his cage, the whole works. So I'm helping this bird get to the new owner. The bird sounds so nice, and I seriously thought I should keep him, but I have a lot of birds right now. There he is. Can you see him? He's talking. He talks and he says all kinds of things. His name is Buddy. So we're on our way to bring him to his new home. Hello, Buddy. Hi. And apparently he speaks French. Hiya. How you doing? Yeah, he's about 8 years old. And the lady started crying, of course, when she gave him to me, and so did I, because I'm very emotional. I cried with her, but she knows he's going to good hands. Right? You ready? He's beautiful. He's blue. What, sweetie? I think he's saying something. Okay, let's go on our way then. So we're on the way there. Traffic looks good so far. Here's Buddy sitting on my lap. Where are you, Buddy? Just don't want us getting away. Where are you? Hello, Buddy. There he is. Hey, bud. Go to your home. There, Buddy. Almost there. We're almost at the destination. Buddy, hi. He was talking a little while ago. Okay, so I made it to the destination where I'm meeting Buddy's new adopter, because Buddy's new adopter lives in Hamilton and we met kind of halfway. So we made it, and he's going to go to his new adopter. Right, Buddy? What are you saying? Huh? What, sweetie? What? You're going to have a nice home? Mm-hmm. I think he's trying to talk. You're gonna meet your new mommy now. Yes, your new mommy. Here she comes. Here she comes. Hello. Hi. So there goes Buddy's cage in the new owner's vehicle. All his stuff, food and everything. Alright, Buddy. He's going to his new owner. Got everything in the car. Well, let us know how he does, okay?
Oh, I will for sure.
And he's going to speak French. I don't know if you know French.
A little bit.
I don't know if he swears. They said no swearing, but... So I guess you'll hold him on your lap, right?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Okay, Buddy. Well, there you go. So enjoy your new family, okay?